Hello, how are you all? Hope you're okay. Today we're going to do something different. It's called What's the Sound? You are going to listen to the sound at the background, and you're going to work together to identify what's the sound. Are you all ready? Yes! Come on. Yes, it's the tap dripping on the water bowl. Well done. Let's listen for the next one. Yes, it's the person sleeping, snoring. Well done. Let's look at this step, another one. What's that? It's the sound of a whale singing. Well done. Let's look at the next one. What can you hear? Can you hear? It's the sound of the tram line moving around. Well done, if you got it. Let's look at the next one. What can you hear? What's that sound? What can you hear? Yes, it's the cat meowing. Well done. Let's look at another one. What can you hear? Well done. It's a helicopter. Well done. Let's look at the next one. Well done. The sound of a man chopping the tree. Good girls. Good boys too. What about the next one? Well done. It's the sound of a toilet flushing. Well done, guys. Let's have a look at the next one. Yes, it's the sound of the toaster popping its bread. Yes! Toaster. Well done. Let's listen for the next one. Well done! It's the sound of a knife chopping a food on the chopping board. Well done! Let's listen for the next one. What's that sound? Well done! It's the sound of the rain, stormy weather, with thunder, if you can hear it too. Well done! Let's listen to the next one. What? Yeah. Well done! It's the sound of a washing machine turning round and round and round. So guys, that's the end of What's This Sound. We'll do more soon. See you again. Bye bye.